Bill Rogers, Honda the Avenues, been here for 7 years. Very excited to be here. We've continued to grow throughout the entire time we've been here, and we look forward to continuing to do so in the future. If you're a service customer of ours, what you can expect when you bring your vehicle in, you're going to be greeted right away by one of our professional service advisors. Before your vehicle even enters our shop, we're going to begin checking your vehicle over, making sure everything's right and tight for you. We're going to have it up on our alignment machine. We're going to check the alignment, tire pressures, battery, make sure all that's good to go while you go and have a seat in our comfortable waiting area where we have snacks and gourmet coffee. While you're in there, your vehicle's going to take a trip into our state-of-the-art facility where our technicians are going to have the opportunity to go over everything. And we do everything from basic maintenance, oil changes and tires, all the way up to diagnosing why that switch isn't quite working the way it should. In our shop, we've got well over 100 years of experience with our technicians, many of which have even been with our company for over 10 years. Whether your vehicle's here for a major repair or just a minor maintenance, you can be assured that we're only going to look your vehicle over and let you know about the things that it truly needs. That's why we have won multiple customer service awards, and we have customers come back to us year over year. If you don't have a ride, it's no problem. We do have a shuttle service that runs 7 days a week, as well as a small fleet of rental cars here on site. No need to go to a separate office in order to get alternate transportation. We are a one-stop shop. We do everything from your minor oil changes, batteries, and brakes, all the way up to major service work on your vehicle. A lot of people don't realize that we as a dealership do sell tires. You don't have to go to a tire store to get your tire. Matter of fact, our tires all come with a road hazard warranty without paying anything additional. Every tire we sell has a road hazard warranty. Here at Honda the Avenues, we always try to make servicing your vehicle as convenient as possible. We're the only Honda dealer open 7 days a week, and whether you bought your vehicle from us or not, we'd love to take care of you here at Honda the Avenues.